Yazi kwesinye isikhathi uboke nje uy'tshele ukuthi yazini noma ungangizonda. Uma ungizondela iqiniso, then kulungile. Noma ungangikhuluma kabi, but if loyo nkulumo yakho does not make me who I am, then why should I worry? Be careful ukuthi uthutha kanjani abanye abantu. Ngoba kukhona abanye abantu, yebo, uNkulunkulu uyakuvumela ukuthi wenze noma yini ofuna ukuyenza kubona, but the comeback is going to be much stronger than what you actually set before their path. Yebo, ungayitshela ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu phezu kwey'mpilo zabantu. Yebo, ngabakhohlisa and say whatever it is ofuna ukuyisho, make them believe ukuthi wena you mean good for them. Stringing them along just for the sake of ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba nalawo mandla lawo wokuthi uyakwazi ukuba ne-control phezu kwey'mpilo zabanye abantu. But be careful ukuthi what are you setting yourself up for? Are you going to be able to handle lezo zinto lezo uma sezibuya and thrown back at you? The more you make other people feel less about themselves, or they may make them question who they are, make them rethink ukuthi what do they stand for empilweni. What does it do to you? Do you take pride in making another person feel less about themselves? Do you take pride in making another person feel as though they always have to rely kuwe in order for izinto zabo zihambe kahle? Question is, when you came into those people's lives, or when you came into that person's life, bebashoda ngawe na? Were you the one owenza izinto zabo zenzeke na? Now, if the answer is that you found them belokhu be right, izinto zabo zihamba ngendlela, yes, they may have needed you and welcomed you into their lives, but it does not mean ukuthi you were the missing link, and therefore does not make you or give you the right to want to play God iy'mpilo zabo. What gives you the audacity yokuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi empilweni ungadlala nje ngomuntu and nothing will ever come back to you? Yazi izinto eziningi ezenzekayo empilweni zethu zenzeka thina sikhale ukuthi why kwenzeka kumina, kanti there's a reason behind it all. It's just for you to be able to open your eyes and look within your surroundings and uzibuze ukuthi, am I tagging along with the right crowd? Am I going along nabantu who are actually influencing me for the best?